So the question we have here has 4 over e plus 1 over 5e equals to 3. So the denominators we have e, 5e, and 1, and these are the denominators. So I'm going to find the LCM. The LCM of these three, and the LCM should be 5e. We try it here, that's like a, 5e. So what can go here is e, here we have 1, 5. 5 can go, cancel, and 5 times e is 5e. So the next thing we're going to do here is multiply, multiply through by the LCM, which is what? 5e. So when we do that, we're going to have 4 over e times 5e plus 1 over 5e times 5e. That will give us 3 over 1 times 5e. So e cancels e, 5e cancels 5e, and we're going to continue, and that will give us 20 plus 1 times 1, that's 1, equals to 15e. So 20 plus 1, that's 21, equals to 15e. Now I'm going to divide through, that is, I'm going to divide both sides by what? 15 over 15. 15 comes to 15. So our e is 21 over 15. So 3 here 5, 3 here 7. So the answer is 7 over 5, which can also be 1 whole number 2 over 5.